In this video, I will show you how to make stylish resume in Microsoft Word like this step-by-step tutorial from the very beginning. Plus, I will provide some customization tips, as well as some professional resume writing tips, which will help you to build your own resume. So, sit tight, subscribe, and enjoy the tutorial. First, open Microsoft Word. Go to Layout, select Margin, customize the margin level to 0 like I am doing, plus select Size. Select A4 option, and whenever you print this, make sure you select A4 You can do this for smooth clicking pressings. Enter.
Select Insert, select Picture,
and do this for easy transport.
You can crop it like I am doing it. You can customize it like I am doing it. Then go to Insert, select this shape, draw it. You can customize it like I am doing it.
Click the shape with right-click, select Fill, select More Fill Colors to get more color, and select the color like I am doing it.
Select Outline, select No Outline.
Copy-paste, same process.
Adjust Position to adjust position.
Click the shape with right-click, select Fill, select More Fill Colors to get more color, and select the color like I am doing it. Same process.
Now add Profile Picture. To do that, go to Insert, select Picture, select Profile Picture. Use professional looking picture, crop it according to your preference. You can crop it like I am doing it. You can customize it like I am doing it.
And do this for easy transport.
Customize outline color like I am doing it. Select Insert, select Shapes, select Text Box, draw a text box, or select Text Box, select Draw a Text Box, and draw Text Box. Add Name. Make your name big and bold or give some twist so that recruiter or hiring manager can easily remember your name or can easily find your resume when search for it. Choose resume font wisely. Select font that is easy to read, clear and simple. Mostly used fonts in resume: Arial, Calibri, Times New Roman, sans serif fonts. You can write the profession name or job title if you want. If you add Make Customization, give some twist and adjust it according to your need.
Copy-paste.
Create highlighting section and adjustment.
Select Insert. Select Shapes. Select Text Box. Draw a text box. Right-click. Select Fill. Select No Fill. Select Outline. Select No Outline. You can add About Section or Summary. Add About Section if you have less than 1 or 2-year job experience, or less than 3 job experience. Write Summary if you have 3 or more than 3 job experience, or 5 to 10 years of job experience. Add contact information. Add professional number, accessible during business hours. Add address or location. Add professional email address, consistent with name. You can add portfolio website, or if you have one or portfolio link, like GitHub, Behance, or Dribbble. It depends according to industry preference. Select a text box. Write Education section. Add education mentioning 4 things: degree name, university name or institutional name, location, duration, CGPA if you want it. For fresher, you should consider it. You can skip it if you have low CGPA plus lot experience to back it up. Write Job Experience section, mentioning following things. Number 1, company name. Number 2, job title. Number 3, location. Number 4, duration. Number 5, job description. Job type. You can add that if you want, like full-time or part-time. Write job description following 3 criteria. Number 1, what you do. Number 2, how you do. Number 3, what is the impact? Check this resume. In this resume, what he does: led the design and development of multiple enterprise-level microservice applications of Commerce Experience Group. How he does: using the latest technologies of Azure, CHash, Net, Cosmos DB, Azure Functions, Key Vault, and MS Graph. What is the impact? Driving $35.3 billion of revenue every year. Obviously, it's exaggerated. If he does that, he will not do job. But he is working in a team procedure which let that result. It's okay as long as you don't lie. Like I am doing in this section. What I do: expertly tailored 100+ custom design resumes. How I do: align with job descriptions and industry standards, optimizing keywords, skill set, impact.
30% ATS visibility boost, yielding a 30% higher employer response rate, average salary increases 20% 30% during job switches, and a 30% success rate in client hirings. Use action verb. Include keywords related to job description, combining technical skill, hard skill, and soft skill. Describe the method using technical or official term, and highlight your achievement or key contributions, how company benefited by you, or result you bring into company using result-oriented metrics. Add technical skills section. Add skill section. List your most relevant and valuable skills for the target job. You can segment your skill, like this, or like hard skill or technical skill, software or language skills, or soft skills, etc. And other skill section. Add languages. Add technical skills section. Add languages. Indicate your proficiency in languages other than your native tongue. Inserting new icon or copy-paste. Whenever you select icon, make sure each icon is same size. And do this for easy transport. Add this and customize it. It may take time. Add icons and customize it, and do this for easy transport. Then go to Insert, select this shape, draw it. You can customize it like I am doing it.
Change page color to see white color icon.
Inserting new icon or copy-paste. Whenever you select icon, make sure each icon is same size. Adjusting icon. You can download these icons from internet. Make it customized like I am doing it now. And do this for easy transport. Adjusting icon.
adjusting icon, embed the link, save it as PDF form, plus whenever sent this resume sent it as PDF form so that it remains as its original form whenever it opened or printed from any device.